Hello guys, welcome to the channel sharing the knowledge of engineering. So I want to show about the command select and move the object. As we have the object, how can we select, how can we move the object? For example, I try to draw the object like the rectangle. Okay, we try to draw and use the circle. Okay, so this one is the object. So how to select? The select we just move the cursor from the left to right and the right to left. Example like this. Okay, or like this. If we want to the unselect, we need to hold the button 6 and then we move. Okay, this is the unselect. So let's to move the object. The first one we need to select the object first, and then we try the command and then press or enter. Try to click the object or we click the point that we want to move. Suppose I click this area, yeah, and then we can move to the left to right and the right to left. Example, I move to the right, the left to right, okay, like this. Moving, yes. If you want to move to up and down, it's okay. If we want to keep the specific distance, we just tie the distance. Example, I tie 10 meter. Okay, it is here. Okay. So if you want to move, you just try the number or just free moving by uh, freestyle, free space, free area. Yes. Okay, so this one is a select and move object. Thank you so much.